a cutie.
He's like walking like I do when I wake up in the morning.
Quickly.
Slow moving.
Waddle around till you get yourself situated.
Yeah,
Hopefully he recovers quickly. He's a cutie. Well, here's a bit of good news, you guys. As you walk out the door in the next several minutes, one thing you're going to notice is drier air settling in across our region. We have a boundary, though, that's still draped in place, and it's going to be stalled out for the rest of the day. That's what's going to be responsible for the clouds that you'll see throughout the day, especially if you find yourself from Philadelphia and points south and east, because Lehigh Valley up towards the Poconos, if you look closely, you're actually not seeing many clouds out there at the moment. So that's going to be the place that will enjoy most of the sunshine today. And speaking of, notice how much cooler it is, by almost 20 degrees across the Poconos compared to Philadelphia. It's 52 in Mount Pocono, 63 at this hour in Allentown, 74 in Wilmington. Good morning. Trenton coming in at 70, 77 in Wildwood at the moment. And as the day presses on, those clouds will continue to fill in. It'll be cloudy, cooler than yesterday, humidity remaining manageable for us. The closer to the shore you are, a little stickier in some spots along the Jersey Shore, neighborhoods well south, around 80 degrees later today with a touch of rain possible. Not a washout, but a touch of rain is certainly possible just because of the proximity of that frontal boundary. And then the further north you are, sunny intervals, that's the place to be. Poconos is going to be nice there today. Precip chances for the next 6 look like this. By tomorrow, Wednesday, maybe a touch of rain in the morning. Once again, all of the action staying south because of that boundary. So I kept the chance for rain for Wednesday morning. Otherwise, we'll enjoy sun and clouds. Temperatures still in the 80s, hovering near average for this time of the year. We're bumping it up to 90 for Thursday, and Thursday, the warmest day of the week. For the rest of the week, we're actually back in the 80s. A cold front will arrive Friday afternoon. That'll generate a few thunderstorms here, and that'll bring about really quiet conditions for the weekend with a better chance of rain arriving next week, Monday. Chandler.
Finally, some cooler conditions.
In fact, if you are heading out today, you're in for a treat. We're not tracking the high heat, high humidity. In fact, quite the opposite. And because of it, the beaches, well, there's not a lot of people there. Here's a live look down at Cape May, I believe. And you can see there's about 2, maybe even 3 families. They're in the water, fishing, maybe even just enjoying a few of those waves. It's a cool start to the day, gray at best. We are tracking plenty of cloud cover, and that's all due to a boundary that's draped just south of the region. But this is the same system that brought about the rain, the downpours, as well as the severe weather that we had rumble through the region just yesterday. You can see along this system, still dealing with a few rain showers out towards far to our south and west. Right here, we can certainly tap into some of that moisture. In fact, we're dealing with the clouds. A few of those passing showers are not out of the question, and that'll stick around for the rest of the day. Not a washout, but not the prettiest day of them all. Take a look at dew point temperatures. I think this is really comforting, being that over the last several days we were talking tropical-like dew point numbers. Today, just about everyone is seeing pleasant conditions. The very exception is South Jersey, where we're still feeling sticky conditions out there. You can see that dew point reading in the 70s, so still steamy at this hour. As the day presses on, those temperatures, the best will do low 80s. By the time 9 o'clock rolls around, we're still dealing with the cloud cover, but look at us, mostly dry. As temperatures dip down into the middle 70s, we actually stay there with an overnight low right at 70 tonight. Under mostly cloudy skies, humidity will be creeping back up. But the good news is we're not tracking any rain for today. By the time tomorrow rolls around, you've guessed it, we're in store for more humidity as it's going to climb throughout the day, and it will be sticky once again for Wednesday. Take a look at the next 24 hours. We'll have a couple of showers move on through overnight tonight. Now, this is 5 a.m. Wednesday morning, and we'll still see a few of those showers. So damp to start out towards South Jersey. By 10 a.m., that same boundary bringing in some of that rainfall. And we'll see a few scattered showers throughout the day on Wednesday. Another shot of scattered showers arrives here Thursday night and into Friday. And Friday, it's finally a cold front that pushes that stalled boundary out of the way. You can see how temperatures are actually going to soar, peak on Thursday with a high of 93. Do not worry, this is brief, because once Friday rolls around, we'll see those temperatures come back down. Afternoon showers, a few scattered thunderstorms possible, and then behind it, we're actually looking at a fantastic weekend. The last weekend of July, lower humidity, plenty of sunshine, and then I know a lot of people have been wondering, where is the rain? Places like our northern communities have missed the rain altogether. A lot of you are dry, and yes, we are experiencing a deficit as far as rainfall. I think Monday is going to be the day where we'll finally see some downpours make a return, and that's the trend as of now. Jim Janelle?
Thank you, Larissa. Well, this is just into